Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to bring you valuable information and tips to improve your life. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to stop smoking. Smoking is a habit that can have detrimental effects on our health, but quitting is not easy. So, in this video, we will share some effective strategies to help you kick the smoking habit for good. Let's get started. Strategy 1: Set a quit date. One of the first steps to quit smoking is setting a quit date. Choose a specific date within the next few weeks that will mark the beginning of your smoke-free journey. This gives you time to prepare both mentally and practically for the challenges ahead. Strategy 2: Identify triggers. Next, it's important to identify the triggers that make you want to smoke. Is it stress, social situations, or certain activities? By recognizing these triggers, you can better prepare yourself to face them head-on and develop alternative coping mechanisms. Strategy 3: Seek support. Quitting smoking is not a journey you have to face alone. Seek support from your friends, family, or even professional help if needed. Having someone to talk to, who understands what you're going through, can provide immense encouragement and motivation. Strategy 4: Replace smoking with healthier habits. Instead of smoking, find healthier habits to replace it. Engage in regular physical activity, such as walking or jogging. Exercise not only distracts you from cravings but also releases endorphins, making you feel happier and more energetic. Strategy 5: Avoid temptation. To increase your chances of success, remove all smoking-related items from your surroundings. Throw away cigarettes, lighters, and ashtrays. Clean your living space to eliminate the smell of smoke. Additionally, avoid places or situations where you used to smoke, especially during the initial stages of quitting. Strategy 6: Utilize nicotine replacement therapies. Consider using nicotine replacement therapies, such as patches, gum, or lozenges. These products provide a controlled dose of nicotine, which can help alleviate withdrawal symptoms. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right method and dosage for you. Strategy 7: Celebrate milestones. Throughout your journey of quitting smoking, it's essential to celebrate milestones along the way. Whether it's 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month without smoking, acknowledge your achievements and reward yourself. Treat yourself to something special or indulge in a favorite activity to reinforce the positive behavior. Quitting smoking is challenging, but it's an investment in your health and well-being. Remember, it's okay to have setbacks along the way. If you slip up, don't be too hard on yourself. Learn from the experience and recommit to your quit journey. With determination, support, and these strategies, you can become smoke-free. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you found it informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and